Density part 3. Now let's see this example. It's an experiment to check if these materials will float or sink. If you throw a stick into a pond, it floats. Now if you throw a stone into a pond, it sinks. Using the table above, compare the density of wood, granite, which is a type of stone, and water. So you check the table and you see which has the highest density, intermediate density, and lowest density. Then we have this figure here that has the densities of 3 liquids and 4 mystery objects. Using the experiment, we need to identify the 4 mystery materials, select the liquid, then choose which material to drop into it. So we have petrol, water, and mercury, and we have these 4 materials. So let's say we choose petrol, and then we go on to choose from these materials. We chose material 1. This material has a density more than the density of petrol, so it's definitely not wood, so it could be ice, stone, or gold. Let's see the same material in water. Then in this table you can observe whether each object floats or sinks in each of the liquids. Enter either floats or sinks in the spaces in the table below. And after you collected the data, you can help identify the 4 mystery materials. For each material, choose either wood, ice, stone, or gold. So material 1 in petrol, it sinks. Now let's move to floating in the air. In this figure you see a hot air balloon and some helium balloons. Helium balloons float in air. This is because the overall density of the balloon plus helium is less than the density of air. The densities of helium and air are shown in the table in figure 1. Above, hydrogen was once used in airships because it has an even lower density. However, hydrogen can react very violently with oxygen, so it has been replaced by helium. The density of hot air is less than the density of cooler air. That is why a hot air balloon floats.